Welcome to the weather broadcast for today, Monday, the 2nd of September, 2024. From our studios in Jimette, I'm your presenter, Marshall Alexander. As we take a look at what's going on in the Atlantic as we are into the peak month of the Atlantic hurricane season. Out here, we see the axis of a tropical wave, which has moved past the Lesser Antilles, and this has produced some scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms across Dominica during the last 12 hours or so. And this system is expected to continue to move away from the islands and out in the central Atlantic. Another tropical wave being monitored and is expected to approach the area sometime on Sunday. So we are monitoring this one as well. And out in the far eastern Atlantic, another tropical wave which has a 10% chance of development during the next 48 hours. And this system is also being monitored by the National Hurricane Center. Now, taking a look at the 7-day formation chance, here we see that this system has a medium chance of development over the next 7 days. And this system here behind me continues to move away from Dominica and is of no concern to Dominica at this time. Now, the tropical wave in the central Atlantic, we also have to monitor this one as it's expected to pass near the islands around Sunday. Now, taking a look at earlier satellite imagery, here we see the convection associated with that system or that tropical wave which continues to move away from Dominica. However, there's still some lingering convection to the east expected to move through the island during the next 12 hours or so. So we are advising people in areas prone to flooding, landslides, and falling rocks to be on alert and to exercise some caution. And here is convection associated with that tropical wave in the central Atlantic, and this is the other tropical wave out in the far eastern tropical Atlantic that we are monitoring. Now, taking a look at the moisture associated with these systems, as you can see, most of the moisture continues to move away from the islands. However, most of the significant moisture in purple can be seen across the southern portion of the island chains or across the islands to the south of Dominica. However, there's still some moisture, lingering moisture behind that tropical wave. So we are still expecting to see some cloudiness and some scattered showers as well as isolated thunderstorms to continue tonight. And here we have the moisture associated with that tropical wave in the central Atlantic, which we are monitoring and is expected to approach the area sometime on Sunday. Taking a look at the closer satellite imagery, here we can see some of the convection mainly to the west of Dominica, some of the significant convection to the west of Dominica, and continuing to move away in association with that tropical wave. Now, taking a look at the radar imagery, you can see some pockets of showers which can be seen to be light to moderate, as well as some heavy showers can be seen mainly across the southern portion of the island chain. And as you know, that this resulted in some scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms across Dominica during the overnight period. Now, taking a look at the Saharan dust, a reduction in Saharan dust can be seen in the region of that tropical wave due to the presence of moisture, and also in the region of that tropical wave which is being monitored. However, we can see that we can expect an increase in Saharan dust following the passage of that tropical wave. Tonight's weather is expected to be mostly cloudy with scattered showers and a chance of isolated thunderstorms, with winds generally coming from the east at about 35 kilometers per hour with higher gusts near showers. And tomorrow's weather is expected to be generally cloudy with scattered showers and a chance of isolated thunderstorms mainly during the morning period, with a gradual drying out expected by afternoon. Sea conditions are expected to be slight to moderate, with waves peaking up to 2 meters or up to 7 feet. A small craft advisory remains in effect for above normal seas. Therefore, we are advising small craft operators and sea beavers to exercise some caution. High tide will be at 3:24 a.m. and 3:53 p.m. and low tide will be at 9:53 a.m. and 9:47 p.m. Again tomorrow, mostly cloudy skies with scattered showers and some isolated thunderstorms expected due to lingering moisture associated with that tropical wave. However, as we move into Wednesday and Thursday, we expect to see a gradual drying out of the atmosphere, and some hazy conditions can also be expected. We can also see a decrease in wind speeds as we move into Thursday. Sunrise tomorrow will be at 5:53 a.m. and sunset will be at 6:16 p.m. Please remember that we are in the peak month of the hurricane season, And we are in hurricane season, so stay informed and be prepared. You can also contact us on our Instagram, WhatsApp, and Facebook channel or website at weather.gov.dm. See you again on Wednesday for another weather broadcast. Stay informed.